Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This is Lucas, and I know you're waiting for another video with integration with Supabase, but I'm just happy to announce that I released another template on FlutterFlow Marketplace and on Gumroad, and it's available since last night. So I thought I just will, share that information with you. I will walk through this template very quickly and just let you know that if you would like to buy another template for a little bit cheaper, that's the way to go, okay? So in this template, we have also 85, I think, pages. There is multiple different components like in the other app, so you don't lose anything really. The difference here is that the feed is different, and I think the points are different, activity screen, okay? But I will go there very soon. So feed is different because we have those stories type, like on Instagram features here. So obviously you can create the story and post it to your app, okay? So they are all here. You have this little animation there. It's displays to users who didn't see the story yet. If you press to the story, this will disappear because they will be called to the backend, and we will add another user to the set of users who saw already the story. So this will work for everyone the same. There's no videos, okay? There's only posts, but you have all interactions with this post. You have save, likes, comments, more, user, follow, follower, add location, tag users, everything is there, okay? And then you have feed, okay, and other pages where you have recent posts. So that's the list of recent posts, so that's different. You have post page, single post page. So when you navigate from the user profile, for example, and you click to the post from the grid view, okay, so you have like a list of posts, this is where you're gonna be taken. And you have some confirmation of reporting the post. Then you have create post, obviously adding picture. And then you have tag users, select location, and write caption, okay? Tag users also is with Algolia. So obviously I just want to say this once again, and I think I said that several times. Please, when you purchase the template, integrate with your Algolia, because I have multiple messages from people when they purchase this template, they just try to search without integration. You have to put your own keys. You have to set up the account on Algolia, add this project to your Algolia project. There is documentation on FlutterFlow. You just please go step by step. And once you select everything and create your account and link everything to this project, you will be able to search with Algolia, okay? So please do that before you text me. Obviously you have location, so you can add location, create post on. You have comments. Again, you have likes, you have replies, you have option to delete the comment if it's yours. You have replies to comments, replies to replies. Everything is pre-built and it's really working fast and it's stable. You can edit post, okay, so it's the same like in the other app. You have a shop. This shop looks a little bit different design, but if you don't like it, you can redesign it. You have business detail page, so you have his background picture, logo, name, address. You can leave a like if you want to this store, so you leave a review. You have business hours with the Google Maps, so you can see the location of the store. View on map, so you can navigate on the map, and also you can call from this app. Then you have activity. This activity looks totally different than the other app. I like the other better because I like minimalistic, like a very simple, but this one is more detail. The concept for this point balance and activity screen was to display to users more details about the spendings, which is the transactions, their rewards. This is, by the way, conditional builder, okay, so you have two different views here. One is transaction, one is rewards. But here, when you scroll to the left, you will see different, let me go to the page view. Now, you have the amount how much you earned, okay, through this app. It will display you amount how much you saved already. I will display the amount you withdraw the last payout, okay? So you can control your finances from this app as well. I don't know how you're going to use it. Maybe you have some idea to use it differently. Maybe you have some banking app in plan to build. So this is maybe the idea for you. And we show all invites here. So if you invite people to this app from the referral program, you obviously will have the amount of people that you already invited, so you can control that too. You obviously can link this to the next page and just display all the names, but I don't want to do that because we invite people from all over the place, and maybe those people don't want to know that they use your code. So I just leave it blank, but you can just do another interactions here. And we have another screen. It's separate for business. So our app works like, I give you an example how you could use it. If you work for some kind of reward program for the coffee shops or restaurants, you can show them the transactions they make with our clients that we bring to their store. You can charge, I don't know, 5% transaction fee, and all those fees will be displayed here. So obviously he will know how much money he make, and also he will know, or she, the business, will know how much money he owes you already. So then you can invoice them at the end of the month, or maybe you can do some integration with third-party providers, so you can actually charge them on the go. Okay, but that will display here. So we have two different activity screens for business and users. Obviously you can withdraw the amount and the points, and then you can have this confirmation screen that the money went to your bank account. Okay, then you can search users in app, again Algolia. That's simple. You have your profile. Okay, you can edit, follow and followers, again conditional builder here. Okay, so we display on one page both values at the same time. And about this account, it's the same like in the other app. Now we have a public profile, and with the direct navigation to the store. So for example, if you have a profile of coffee shop that is also your partner, you can navigate to the store from here. Okay, in-app messages, contact with email or phone, it's up to you how you're gonna manage this. Conditional builder in both profiles. Okay, here you can display posts, and you can display all pictures that business was tagged to. And in your profile, you have additional, let me go to profile, saved. So you have additional tab where you see all the posts that you saved already. Okay. So you can edit post, create post, add them to profiles, follow. Then you have a notification screen, again, conditional builder, and we have a separate screens, like a separate view for all notifications about followers, new followers. So if someone follow you, they will be displayed here. Then you change the likes, so if anybody likes your post or picture, will be here, and all the comments will be separate here. So that's the new. It's different than in the other one. Payment, this is for the business. Create payment, QR code is actually generated automatically, and in this app you need to scan with your phone. So if you have this code created, the user will need to scan with the camera, and there is a deep linking, you can see here. Okay, so we have a deep linking, we pass parameter, which is the transaction ID, and we pass the transaction document. Okay, so obviously this will allow you to navigate to another screen, confirm the payment, and then everybody will get notification about the successful transaction. And congratulations screen as well. Then you have invite user and share your profile, again with the deep linking. So if you can go here, you can see that we copy the link of the page. So I create actually message. Yeah, so we're gonna say that Lucas, for example, or this is authenticated user, for example. So Lucas invited you to this ThinkWe app, and this is the link, okay, to the public profile. We pass parameter of that user, and we navigate to the page of that user in that app. So obviously, if you have an app installed, you'll be navigated straight away to this profile. And then we have an in-app chat. So that's simple. Again, I use this for all my apps. I build this, by myself. And in many cases, for many clients, I use that chat. We just change the branding, a little bit colors, maybe sizes, and so on. So you have that already pre-built. You don't have to worry about the chat. So again, if you buy this template and you use it for multiple different purposes, for example, you build some apps for your clients. One client would like to have on a chat app like WhatsApp. You can use it. You can edit. Then you have some shopping app. So then again, you can remove some, elements and just focus on the shopping part. Or maybe you would like to build communities. So again, you have these posts, interactions and everything. So this app could be used for you for multiple purposes. And also with this design now, with this activity, you could do mobile banking too. Obviously, you need to, call, make calls with the APIs from this banking systems and whatever. And but it's possible, okay? And then you have a switch to professional account. So I'm not gonna explain this one. This is very simple. So you provide a lot of information about your account and you switch to professional. Individual, we was talking already, but I will go through again. This is registration, name, password, date of birth, username. Again, it's the same like in the other app, so the system works the same way. Email, referral code is the same, legal policies. Then after registration, we ask people to provide their profile picture. Then we welcome them in the app and account set, okay? And what else we have here? We have this onboarding with the phone. So this is the same like in the other one, okay? So you can use both. Authenticate users with email or with phone number. Business account. So this is different. Now, we onboard here businesses separately. And I had a request from one of the clients that they want to do 2 different apps and they have onboarding for businesses separate with then users. And the login should be separate than for users. So obviously, if you're looking for something like that, here we go, you have it all set up. Business profile. So obviously you have a profile, edit profile. You have you can add products because obviously in that shop you have a product. So you can add product here and you can select a discount as well. Okay, it's done this way. You can change that to auto design, obviously. But it works, so obviously you can just see how this, was created, and then you can edit. And then you have a points. So you create the rewards for people. Again, you have another QR code with some deep linking, okay, with navigation to the other screens, and reward confirmation page as well, okay. So as you can see, this template, it's not much different. It has different feet, of course, and different options, but obviously for you might be useful more even than the other one. You can select one of them to download. I anyway, encourage people to get the template and for starter learn from it, because if someone make an app that is already on stores and people use it, just learn from that, from the template that you will purchase. You don't have to be even my template. You can find maybe some templates on Marketplace and try to find, the best for you, okay? But if you want to invest money, try to find those that have the most components and pages and interactions and flows that are actually fixed and they're there. So this app has everything. If you decide to purchase, perfect. I will link both templates in the description of this video. And I think you'll be happy to have one, It's going to be a good journey for you as well to learn because it's fun. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm sorry for not recording the video about, backend integration, but I will do it tomorrow. Today, I just want to share that news. Obviously, this template will be a little bit cheaper. And for today's video purpose, whatever, I will just add another 50% off on Gumroad purchases because on Marketplace, I can't do any discounts. I hope they will provide some, solutions in future. But today it's not possible, so the price will be fixed to $200 on Marketplace. because that's the minimum they required. And on Gumroad, this app will be for $200, but I think, and I will drop 50%. So obviously you can buy it for 100. So I hope you're gonna enjoy. Before you buy anything, just think about how much money you already spent on building your apps, how many months you've doing something, how much money you spent on, subscriptions, and just count that if you invest $100 more or $200 more, then you can really cut a lot of expenses and save some time as well on developing your own apps. So treat this as an investment for your own knowledge. Thank you very much again for watching. Leave a comment if you have any. Subscribe to this channel, and tomorrow I promise I will record another video. We're gonna rebuild feed on the template that is already for sale and it's available. Links below. Thank you.